Hi friend, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Spicy Tasty Cooking. Today I am going to prepare malai prawn. Here malai means the milk which is extracted from the coconut. So let's get started. Here I have taken 700 gram prawn. I marinate it with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per taste. And leave it for some time. Here I have taken finely chopped 2 big size onion. And fry the onion till it turns brown. I use another pan for frying the prawn. Fry the prawn for at least 15 minutes in a low flame. Now I add 1 teaspoon garlic paste with the fried onion and mix it well. Now it's the time to mix spices. Half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Mix all the spices with the fried onion. Fried prawn looks absolutely perfect. I mix the fried prawn with the spicy onion. Add coconut milk and cover the pan with a lid and let it be cooked for at least 15 minutes. ready to serve. Friends, I have a request to you. Those who are absolutely new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. And if you really like my today's recipe, then please give me a like and do comment, as your comment is very precious for me. Please stay with me forever. Thank you for watching my video.